Choosing the right windows for your home in Tysons is crucial for enhancing curb appeal, improving energy efficiency, and ensuring long-term durability. With Tysons' blend of modern developments and traditional suburban neighborhoods, homeowners have a variety of window styles to choose from to complement their home's aesthetic and functional needs. Here are some of the best window styles to consider for homes in Tysons. Double-hung windows. Classic and versatile double-hung windows are one of the most popular choices for homes in Tysons due to their classic design and versatility. These windows have two operable sashes, allowing you to open either the top or bottom for ventilation. Their traditional appeal makes them suitable for both colonial-style homes and contemporary residences. Additionally, many double-hung windows come with energy-efficient features that help maintain indoor comfort year-round. Casement windows. Modern and energy-efficient casement windows are an excellent choice for homeowners looking to maximize ventilation and energy efficiency. These windows are hinged at the side and open outward with a crank, allowing for superior airflow. Casement windows also provide a tight seal when closed, reducing air leakage and improving insulation, perfect for Tysons' varying weather conditions. Bay and bow windows. Adding space and elegance. Bay and bow windows are ideal for homeowners who want to enhance their home's curb appeal while also creating additional interior space. These window styles extend outward from the home, offering panoramic views and increasing natural light. Bay windows typically consist of 3 panels, while bow windows feature 4 or more, creating a more rounded appearance. These styles work well for living rooms, breakfast nooks, and master bedrooms, adding character and charm to any space. Picture windows. Maximizing natural light. For those looking to enjoy unobstructed views and increase natural light in their homes, picture windows are a fantastic option. These fixed windows do not open but provide a large, clear glass pane that lets in ample sunlight and showcases the beautiful surroundings of Tysons. Picture windows pair well with operable windows like casement or double-hung styles to provide both aesthetic appeal and functionality. Sliding windows. Space-saving and practical. Sliding windows are a practical solution for homes with limited space. These windows slide horizontally, making them easy to operate and perfect for areas where a swinging window might be impractical, such as kitchens or smaller rooms. They provide a modern and sleek look while offering excellent ventilation and energy efficiency. Awning windows. Great for all weather conditions. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward, creating a protective barrier that allows for ventilation even during light rain. This makes them a great choice for Tysons' changing seasons. Often placed above larger windows or doors, awning windows provide extra airflow and can be used in combination with other styles for a layered design. Specialty and custom windows. Unique and personalized designs. For homeowners who want to make a statement or have uniquely shaped window openings, specialty and custom windows are the way to go. These can include arched windows, circular windows, or custom-sized picture windows that fit specific design requirements. Custom windows can elevate a home's aesthetic while ensuring a perfect fit for non-standard spaces. Choosing the right window material. A apart from selecting the right style. Choosing the best window material is essential for durability and performance. Common options include vinyl windows, low maintenance, energy efficient, and budget friendly. Wood windows, classic and elegant but require regular maintenance. Fiberglass windows, highly durable, weather resistant, and energy efficient. Aluminum windows, strong and modern but less insulating compared to other materials. Final thought: selecting the right window styles for your home in Tysons is a balance of functionality, aesthetics, and energy efficiency. Whether you opt for the timeless appeal of double-hung windows, the expansive views of bay windows, or the sleek design of casement windows, there are numerous options to enhance your home's comfort and style. If you're considering window replacements or new installations, working with a professional window installer can help you choose the best designs and materials tailored to your needs. Investing in high-quality windows not only boosts curb appeal but also enhances your home's value and energy efficiency, making it a worthwhile decision for any Tysons homeowner.